Pause this video and give this problem a try. And when you have an answer, resume the video to check if you got the answer correct. In this problem, we're given a balanced chemical reaction, and we're told that 4 moles of X and 4 moles of Y are placed in a 1 liter vessel and are allowed to react. And then at equilibrium, 6 moles of Z is produced, and we have to figure out what the equilibrium constant Kc is. So this is an ice table problem because we're told the initial amounts of X and Y, which are 4, and we're told the final or equilibrium amounts of Z, which is 6. So we're going to set up an ice table. We'll start by writing the reaction X plus Y in equilibrium with 2Z. Check if any of these states are solid or liquids. None of them are, because if they were, we will ignore them. Then set up ICE, initial change in equilibrium. We have to do an ice table in concentration because we're asked to solve for Kc. Thankfully, the volume here is 1 liter. Remember, concentration, which is molarity, is just moles over liters. So then 4 divided by 1 is 4. Since our volume is 1, the molarity and moles are the same. So the original molarity of X is 4, original molarity of Y is 4, and the original molarity, sorry, this looks like a 2, is 2Z is 0. And then this is going to be minus X, and plus 2X. And then this is going to be 4 minus X, 4 minus X, and this is 2X. And then we're told that there are 6 moles of Z at equilibrium. So then that means 2X is going to equal 6, which means X is equals to 3. Then we can take the 3 and we can plug it back in. So that means our equilibrium concentration of X and Y are 1 and 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then this is 6 because that was given to us. And then now that we have the equilibrium concentrations, we can plug it into the equilibrium constant expression, products over reactants. So it'd be 6 squared, because there's a 2, divided by X times Y, which is 1 times 1. So that's just going to give us 36. That means our final answer is going to be E, 36. If you want to learn how to ace chemistry, if you want to learn what's the best way to study for this class, if you want to learn some neat tricks and tips to take into your exam and do better on them, then you should head over to my website and get this free guide, 12 Secrets to Acing Chemistry. You can head over to www.conquerchemistry.com/chemsecrets. I'm going to include a link in the description below. Check it out. I think it's really going to help you, and you're gonna like it. Until next time, keep working hard and continue the good work.